Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. So your friend Kumar is back and today there was a result for second extended round. So congratulations to all the students who got the seat and their best choice college from this round of counseling. And what I have done is I prepared a list of top 15 colleges only in Bangalore, right? Top 15 colleges of Bangalore, which are which is students' choice based on the cutoffs, right? So cutoff under 10K for CSC. So no surprise, the RV College of Engineering still remains the number one college with the cutoff of 315 for CSC. So started from 92 in the first round and till the last round it is 315. And similarly for information science still under 500, that is 430, and EC is still 1300. So with this is still a very GM in a general merit category, it's a 500 less than 500 for ISC and top 1300 for electronics. So top three branches, if you see, it is quite good. And the new branch which was introduced this year, 614 for artificial intelligence. So a lot of students who would have taken EC in the normal course of time now have taken artificial intelligence, making it the 614 as the cutoff. And so that's a very good competitive cutoff. It has come down from the previous round. And for other branches also you see cutoffs there, right? So now moving to the second college, right, from based on the CSC cutoff. So second college directly from 315 to 763. So PES University cutoff is 763, quite straightforward. This is the second best cutoff, and there is no ISC branch here, but other branches, electronics, from it is 3000 rank which is there. I have not included PES South Campus because it will be now called as a PES University itself, so as to accommodate two more colleges, one or two more colleges. I have not included that, but cutoff of that is a little bit lesser than much lesser than this. But I have included PES University as the obvious choice, and and you see in this college also you can get few branches like electrical, mechanical and biotechnology, around 8000. So the branch of choice is still there, computer science and the electronics, which is 763, and in 3000 general medical. Now coming to the third branch, right? So BMS College of Engineering, so it is not second but it is third because it's a very small difference. CS computer science here is 925 compared to 700 plus there. So, and here also if you see information science is now around 1800. So these three colleges you are getting computers still under 1000, and information under 1800, electronics under 4000. So there it was 3000, now it is 4000. So that's why clearly BMS is number 3, not number 2, based on students choice. And the other branches which I have closed very on the higher side is if you see electronics and telecommunication branch 7800 in this list, and aerospace 8500. So those are other preferred branches by the students, apart from the standard top branches, which is CSC, ISC and ECE. Now the fourth on the list is MS Ramaiah Institute Technology. So here you see computer is still under 1000. So 962 is the computer cutoff, and this year onwards MS Ramaiah has increased its seat. So that's the reason it has moved from second or third rank to fourth rank, because it's here include new courses like cyber security. It has included new courses like CSCS, machine learning. Those are also closing very well. Like CSCS machine learning is 1293, and cyber computers, cyber security under 2000. So that's the thing. And on two more branches on the top you see artificial intelligence and AI data sciences. So do closing around 2500. So under 2500 you are getting some sort of computer and computer related branch in MS Ramaiah. So that is quite good, and at least 5 branches are related with straight away with computer. Information science is still at 1670. So 6 branches in MS Ramaiah are related with computers. Now coming to the next college, our own UVC, right, University College, and now computers UC has gone to 2500 rank. So under 2500 you are getting computers in UVC, and information science at 4304, and the third best branch here is artificial intelligence. This is again the new branch introduced here, and the cutoff is 6000. close to 6,000, which is 5891. So everywhere, ECE has moved from the branch number 3rd to branch number 4 because of introduction of new courses in AIML, right? So UVC remains the 5th branch, and you see mechanical and all the other branches have gone quite low. 44,000 ranks mechanical close up, and civil 41,000. But the 4th, for the next branch of choice is electrical, which is around 18,900. So that's all around UVCE. Let's move to the next college, which is 6th, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. So there it was computers 2,500. Now here is computer is 3,600. So straight away 1,000 gap between the CSE of UVCE and CSE of Dayanand Sagar. So here also there are a lot of computer branches are there. So 3,670 is computers, and artificial intelligence is 1,000 even more. That is 4,500. You are getting artificial intelligence, and then information science 1,000 more, which is 5,300. And then there's new branch which has come, it is computer science design, which is 1,500 more. So there you are getting CSC related branch at 6,957, that is computer science and design, at 7,000 rank, because of large number of seats being introduced now on each of these colleges. So you have 4 computer related branches, and after that electronics has moved to the 5th rank here in terms of cutoff in Dayanand Sagar. So that is the top 6 colleges covered. Now the 7th number is Bangalore Institute of Technology. So here also, now there it was a computer science 3,500. Now computer here is again one shift by one more 1,000, which is 4,500. So 4,500 CSC cutoff and informations, and there's a new branch which have been introduced now, which is I think I have missed the other snapshot which has information science, but AIML is covered here. So 8,400 is where the AIML has closed in the general category, and you see 2 more categories on the right column, which is general merit Kannada and general merit rural, right? So in the other 2 categories, the cutoff has gone from 8,000 to 24,000, for example, for AI, and similar thing for other branches, right? So the 3rd branch is I think information science, and the 4th best branch is electronics, you see here, and the cutoff was 12,000. So that is the top 7 college. BMS ITM, it has moved down this time, and it is not number 5, number 6, it is at number 8. So this has come down in terms of cutoff. So these are nothing to do with the replacements. It is only with respect to cutoffs or the student's choice of filling it. So 5,200, that is 5,000 plus is the computer close of 5,200. Information science is very high, it has gone to very low, it has gone to 9,000, which is 8,291, and the new branch which is introduced is artificial intelligence 7,500. So you see, because of the newer branch, I was predicting the cutoff will go down, and it has gone down. So you are getting 8,291 information science in BMSIT, and BMSIT itself has now become the 8th number choice by students. So that is what I've covered. So other branches you can check it. On the 9th number, I am covering Siddhaganga because it's not in Bangalore exactly, but it's so close to Bangalore that people consider it part of the Bangalore only. So that's the reason I thought I'll cover this at least in part of Bangalore top 15. And you see now computer science moving from 5,500 to 6,200. So beyond 6,000 you are getting CSE here, and the information science beyond 8,300. That itself means the cutoff has come down for all of the colleges because of introduction of new seats of AIML and data sciences, right? And the other AIML, you can see 9th rank college, which is AIML. See the first column, first row, right, is beyond 10,003. So beyond 10,003, you are 10,300. You are getting a computer science related branch. Computers related branch in a top-notch college, right, like this in the 9th rank. So that's what the cutoff has come down. And coming to the next 10th by cutoff is BNMIT. So from there 6,200 to now computer is gone beyond 7,700. So 10th rank 7,753, and information science 9,596. So up to 10,000 you are getting information science. And see the cutoff artificial intelligence is gone 14,000, 13,990. So that's why the new branch is introduced and more students are able to get computer related subjects, right? So at 14,000, close to 14,000 in general merit category, you are getting BNMIT, which is still the 10th best by cutoff, right? And the electronics and all have gone to 18,000. You can see 17,596, and mechanical is surprising 1,70,000. So there is no taker of mechanical in this college, and the mechanical closing is 1,70,000. So that itself shows that there is no interest for mechanical even in the top 10 college. So last is 11th rank is just little bit behind that BNMIT is the Niti Meenakshi. There it was 7,700 CSC. Here it is 7,800 CSC. Just 100 ranks difference, and this is 11th rank. And information science here is surprisingly has gone to 11,000, which is very good opportunity for students who has grabbed them. And DIDS seats have gone to 12,956. That is close to 13,000. So in such a good college, you are getting computer related branch as close as 13,000. So that is very quite good, and I congratulate all those students who have got into this good college at 13,000, right? So and electronics have further moved to 18,000, right? So as electronics is becoming fourth or fifth branch of choice because of the new computer branches, cutoffs of electronics are also going down. So that is what it is about Niti Meenakshi. So 12th best college is just again by a small very difference, 50th and 2 or 3 ranks. The RNSIT is not 11th, but it is 12th, and it is 7886. There it was 7884. So here also you see artificial intelligence. So information science is still 11,000, 12,000, but artificial intelligence has gone beyond even 15,000. So at AI, you are getting at 16,719 in RNSIT, right? So which is a good college. And electronics is close to now 20,000, 19,946. So because of and there is a new branch called computer science, data science, that also is available at 13,644. So 4 branches of computers, and then 5th branch is electronics, and electronics students are getting at 20,000 in RNSIT. So that's what this year electronics have come down very steeply because of new branches are being introduced in now the college of 13th rank, right? Again, it's a very from 7,800 to just 8,600 is now the CSC cutoff. So we are going close to 10,000 in CSC. So it's now 8,689, and information science is beyond 10,000, and there is no other branch of computer science. So electronics remains the third best branch in this college, which is MVIT, and you are getting electronics at 17,750. So good choice by their students. And mechanical, if you see, there is no demand for mechanical in this all colleges. Mechanical is at 1,81,687. So total 1,85,000 student appeared for KCET, and less than 5,000 from the bottom you are getting mechanical in the number 13 college. That itself shows that there's no demand for mechanical nowadays. And similarly, even civil closed before mechanical. So 1,76,975. So now the college number 14, just in the same line, just a little behind MVIT, is a New Horizon College of Engineering. Very good college, good NRF ranking and good placements, but cutoff wise it is quite low. So it is at 14th rank, 8731 is a CSE, and the AI branch is 13,000, and computer engineering branch is a different branch here, which is around 15,000, 14,597. So electronics here becomes the 5th branch again because of the 4 branches of related with computer science. So electronics has gone beyond 20,000 now. So even beyond rank of 20,000, students can get electronics. And see, the electrical has gone to 64,000. So which is a very steep fall. And mechanical, as usual, 1,80,000. And so on, right? So because of the new branches being introduced, the traditional branches have completely out of flavor, and you can get at any rank. And this is the last college on the list, Ambedkar Institute of Technology, and this is computers is just at 10,000. So that's why where I have stopped it. I've not gone beyond this computers 10,000, because then there are a lot of good colleges again continuing from there, from computer science 10,000 to 20,000. But here at 10,000, it's a Dr. Ambedkar Institute, and there. Also information science is not there, so computer is the only branch which has which is computer related branch in this college, 10,234. And the second branch then becomes the electronics, where is a steep difference between 10,000 to 17,981. So at 17, and the third branch of choice here therefore becomes the electrical. So electrical here is better than the New Horizons electrical, which is 38,646, right? And then the all other branches also quite before, right? So you can check it. So those are the friends, top 15 college back cutoffs and of the last round of this year. And I again thank you for all the students who have been interacting with me and have asked questions, queries, and best of luck to you, and have a great time. And I know most of you are already subscribed to, so please be in touch. I will be putting more videos about the other aspects of the college life. So thanks, keep it up, and have a great day.